Have you ever looked at someone who made millions from cryptocurrency and thought, what if I had started earlier? But you saw Bitcoin explode or heard about Dogecoin turning everyday people into overnight millionaires. The truth is, many people missed the first wave. But here's the exciting part. It's not too late. In fact, 2025 is shaping up to be one of the best times to get into crypto. But here's the catch. You need to stop chasing hype and start understanding strategy. In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful and realistic ways to make money with cryptocurrency, even if you're starting from scratch. Now you might be wondering, is crypto still alive? Didn't it crash in 2022? Yes, the market had a correction, but that's exactly what happens in every industry as it matures. What we're seeing now is the rise of Crypto 2.0, safer, smarter, and more useful than ever. Governments are introducing regulations, institutional investors are backing projects, and blockchain is being used in everything from supply chains to AI. That means there's still massive opportunity, if you know where to look. Let's begin with the most obvious and beginner-friendly method, buy and hold, also known as HODLing. This means buying high-potential coins and holding them long-term, regardless of daily price fluctuations. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the go-to assets here because they have strong market trust and utility. If you had bought $100 of Bitcoin in 2015 and simply held it, you'd have over $15,000 today. While the growth may not be that dramatic now, the long-term potential of the right coins is still powerful, especially with having cycles and adoption expanding globally. Next is staking, which is one of the best ways to earn passive income through crypto. Think of staking like earning interest on a savings account, but instead of 1%, you can earn 5%, 10%, or even 15% annually. When you stake coins like Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, or Polkadot, you're helping to run the blockchain network, and in return, you're rewarded with more coins. Some exchanges offer flexible staking where you can withdraw anytime, while others offer locked staking with higher returns. This method is ideal if you want steady earnings without actively trading. Speaking of trading, crypto trading is one of the most talked about and misunderstood ways to make money. While it offers high potential returns, it also requires strong discipline and strategy. You can start with spot trading, which is simple. Buy low, sell high. Or you can explore futures trading, which involves leverage and more risk. Tools like TradingView help analyze price trends, while apps like Binance or KuCoin make the process user-friendly. Start small, use stop losses, and practice before going big. Now let's talk about airdrops, one of the easiest ways to earn free crypto. Airdrops are marketing promotions where new crypto projects distribute free tokens to users who join early or complete simple tasks like following on Twitter or joining a Discord server. Some airdrops from the past have been worth hundreds, even thousands of dollars. For example, the Uniswap airdrop in 2020 gave early users over $2,000 worth of UNA tokens for free. To stay updated, follow websites like CoinMark, HXA, Airdrop Section, Airdrop Alert, and community Twitter threads. If you're a bit more advanced and comfortable with DeFi, yield farming and liquidity mining offer higher rewards. This means providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges like Pancocks, Quap, Curve, or Uniswap in exchange for token rewards. Some protocols offer PEs above 50%, but be cautious. These systems can be complex, and you need to understand risks like impermanent loss or rug pulls. Make sure to only farm on trusted platforms and with coins you believe in. What if you have zero money to invest? Good news, you can still earn crypto. Platforms like Bitwidge allow freelancers to get paid in Bitcoin or stablecoins. Websites like Coinbucks, Coinapply, or StormX let you complete surveys, watch ads, or shop online and earn tokens. Even platforms like Fiverr and Upwork have clients who pay in crypto. You can also write articles for crypto blogs or join bounty programs and earn tokens for promoting projects. Another exciting way to earn is through play-to-earn and move-to-earn platforms. Games like Axie Infinity and The Sandbox let you earn tokens by playing and leveling up. Apps like Step and reward you in crypto just for walking or running. These platforms gamify your time and effort, turning daily habits into digital assets. However, it's important to check each project's sustainability and token economy before you invest your time or money. Let's not forget about NFT flipping. While the NFT hype has cooled down, There's still money to be made if you know how to research rare collections or buy early into promising projects. Marketplaces like OpenSea and Blur still offer a space for creators and collectors to profit, especially in gaming or utility-focused NFTs. Now, here's something even serious crypto users forget: the importance of research tools. You must learn to do your own research. Use CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko to analyze coins. Use CryptoPanic or Twitter for real-time updates. Use DeFi Llama to compare returns across DeFi platforms. And for technical analysis, TradingView is your best friend. Knowledge is not just power, it's protection. But with all this potential comes risk. So let me share a quick warning. Crypto scams are real. Be extremely careful with pump and dump groups, fake airdrops, phishing links, and social media giveaways. Never share your wallet's seed phrase. Use hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor for long-term savings. Enable two-factor authentication on all your accounts. Most importantly, don't let FOMO drive your decisions. Hype is the enemy of smart investing. So, to wrap it all up, how can you make money with crypto in 2025? You can buy and hold stake for passive income, trade with smart strategies, join airdrops for free tokens, farm and lend on DeFi platforms, get paid in crypto for your work, play to earn, or even flip NFTs. But whatever path you choose, start with education. The more you learn, the more you'll earn, and the safer you'll be. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more content on crypto, finance, and online income. And let me know in the comments, which of these methods are you excited to try first? Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and stay profitable.